In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on international roaming on your Android phone. If you are traveling abroad and want your phone to stay connected when you are outside your home network, you will need to enable international data roaming. Keep in mind that roaming can incur extra charges, so it's a good idea to know your carrier's rates or have an international plan before you switch it on. With that in mind, let's walk through the process clearly and confidently. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. You can find it on your home screen or in your app drawer. If your phone has a search bar at the top of Settings, that can be handy in case menus look a little different from what you see here. But go step by step. Next, access your network settings depending on your device. This section is labeled either Connections or Network and Internet. Both names refer to the same general place where your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and mobile network options live. Once you are in that section, look for Mobile Networks. On some phones, this may be under a SIMs or Cellular Network submenu. Especially if you have multiple SIMs or an eSIM configured. Tap Mobile Networks to open the cellular settings tied to your mobile carrier. Now find the setting called Data Roaming. This is the switch that allows your phone to use mobile data when you are outside your carrier's home network. Go ahead and turn on the data roaming toggle. Your phone may show a brief warning about potential charges, which is normal. If you agree, confirm to proceed. After enabling data roaming, look for the international roaming option or drop down in the same area. Tap it and choose the behavior that fits your needs. If you select Always, your phone will use data roaming whenever it's available while you are abroad. If you choose for Exceptions Only, your device will limit roaming to specific circumstances or networks as defined by your carrier or device settings. This can be useful if you want a bit more control, especially when you are mindful of data usage and costs. That's it. And remember, once you return home, you can come back to these same settings and turn data roaming off to avoid unnecessary roaming connections. Thanks for watching.